Can you even hear me? Alright, these kids, hit www, Google, and AdPig are known to boot off, so we might get booted second map because we just won first 6-5. Now invite me to the game. Bruh. Wait, what do we host? Who hosts?
We host. They should let me host, dude. I mean, it don't matter, fuck it.
Wait, where do you live?
North Carolina. Am I the only one in here? Am I the only one in here that can't change their IP?
I don't think I can. No, I can. No, I can't.
I'm telling you, dude, my ass would just be seeing me.
Hey, did y'all get a picture or a video or proof or whatever? Record.
This toast.
Oh, did you get the other? Did you get first map? Oh, you did? Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, yeah, they're all in here. We're ready. This map? Well, these kids couldn't handle the AR, bro. Literally, bro, because all we did was sit back with ARs and they just run at us.
Bro, I'm already about to wrap up in a damn Snuggie. I already know it's over. Oh, no.
Bro, they're gonna have shotties too, man.
Bro, I don't want to get booted, dude.
Search and destroy.
We'll have proof. We'll get the win regardless.
I don't give a damn about that, dude. I don't have to reset my shit. Because I want to get a new router.
Oh, you're internet provider.
They can't change it out to get a whole new router. It's the only way. Alright, let's go B, man. These guys are
Alright, hey, I'm recording my audio too now. We'll start out the second map. We're probably gonna get booted off. I mean, I played this kid a while back before on his other account and he booted me. And yeah, so. Love you, admins.
Hey, who can you do?
I can run whatever. I got an AR out right now. They don't have shotguns. He was running a shotgun on one. They don't have double shotguns here, probably.
Alright, but I got double nades. If he rushes in up top, I can aid him.
I got bombs. Get an AR.
Destroy the objective.
Give me the nade,
What's
man.
up, yellow?
Oh, I just need him. I hit him. I got him. He's on the ground.
You won. He could maybe full flank it underground.
I was on Google.
Oh no, you want to rotate there or what?
Time's almost up.
Y'all trying to screw up, yeah, y'all trying to screw up.
Let's go, good shit. Nah, you good, bro.
Oh, my
Excellent
fault,
job,
bro.
Bruce. Get ready for the next
Right
round.
past me. No.
Yo.
Look.
Yeah, I knew it. Like, I was saying he was gonna probably come underground. He came underground and flanked that window.
Switching sides.
Dude, my mom's gonna be heated, bro.
Search and destroy.
Watch.
It should be good.
Defend the objective.
I don't know, dude. I'm hopping on the tank to be honest,
You know they are, bro.
and I'm just gonna hop on the light post. He's got box. T-bomb.
He's on bomb.
No, there's two in there. He's on the wall.
Yep.
Blue, he's one shot on the wall. Blue, one touch. There you go. Let's go. Yeah, blue.
Man, this is a fucking slight word.
Next round.
Awful ass.
Better boot, bitches.
Hey,
ready.
Blue, the second guy you killed, not the nade guy, was he one shot? Yeah, I was wall banging the fuck out of him, dude.
Switching sides.
Yeah, I don't know. I literally put 4 or 5 shots into a wall, dude. I promise you that.
Search and destroy.
I'm taking bomb and I'm pushing snake. I'm gonna push snake though.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired.
Alright, no, I'm a pre-pay this guy, bro. He went that loud.
I rush bomb.
He didn't go there this time.
I got him.
Good job. No, that was another one. There was up there last time. I was working with Aaron.
One likes people.
Yo, he's blue room. He was blue room. This kid knew I was coming.
Time's almost up.
Good kill, good kill. Last
You're
guy.
the only one left. Remember your training, Ghost.
That guy used to be playing for life.
He has no gun skill, bro. You got it.
He was playing last round.
You can wait here like 10 seconds. I think they're a couple seconds. Pop up. Look, this one nigga hacks. He's pressing star man.
Yeah.
They just playing normal. What else he tagged in?
Yeah, you never know. Just go play it. Make a trick to self. Oh, you see him? Oh, just go plant it. Go plant it. Should have been.
He probably thinks you're going back to me.
That's not unfortunate.
Bomb's been planted.
Yep, run. Free fire.
Oh,
Excellent job, Ghost.
Let's go, baby.
Doubt the king, my nigga.
Yo,
Dude, I just coached that shit, nigga. I said free fire. Shit.
Bro, you just 3-shot hit by him, bro.
Well, I'm already about to kiss my shit off.
Yo, it don't matter though, cause even if they do put us off right here, look, the rules go. Stated last time I talked to a rep about it, the rules go. Whenever we got connection issue, that's where the round starts off. That's where you replay it at. And if they don't play the replay, we get the win. After 4 days, if they don't try to attempt the replay, that's what I'm saying. We get the win.
Dude,
That happened to me and Beaver.
Because, you know, ain't nobody gonna be in here.
Oh, green. Yo, bomb. Ampeg has bomb.
Beat on. One shot.
Our caution?
Yeah, one not caution.
See? Look at that. He's free for it.
Ampeg beat on.
Time's
Me
almost
too.
up.
You got called out. We're up 3.
Oh.
We lost that round, but we can still win.
Nah,
this.
I thought you were about that A. That's only why I wasn't watching this.
I swear to God. Like he was
Tony, hex, nigga, you see how many times you pre-fired me on Warthog, bro? I promise you.
Search and destroy.
Yo, one of us get booted, or we just all leave?
Oh, yeah, I mean,
Destroy the objective.
I don't know.
I'm saying if one of us get booted, did we just all leave? I'm not sure.
Yo!
We got the bomb.
I'm gonna try to push on that.
Time's almost up.
Give me up here.
I ain't see nobody. You're bad, bro.
Google likes to flank usually. Don't get too close.
Off.
Planning.
Watch it.
Let's go! Let's go!
Go
Excellent
win,
job, Ghost.
man.
Get
That
ready for
nigga was
the-
Yo,
following me and
Dude,
got
tell
turn
he
up.
fucking pre-fired me top yellow, dog.
Yo.
This nigga was following me. No.
I swear, I saw his body and I think shoot my body.
He
Halftime.
sent you a message?
Yeah, he sent me a message.
You're about to get booted.
Search and destroy.
You don't shoot bodies with attackers. Bro. Look, he's getting booted right now, dog. Look at this
Defend the
shit.
objective.
Yeah, bro. Bro. Let's just beat these guys. They're fucking awful. He came up behind me upstairs.
Dude,
Are you still there?
I'm here.
You still there?
Right. Look, oh, he pre-fired me as he was falling down. Yo, look, these kids are booting. Told you as it is.
Time's almost up.
I say we just leave.
Bomb's been planted.
Contact the rep right now, bro. Like, in-game support, nigga. This nigga just hacking, booting, fucking. Look at him, dude. He was in game chat.
Turn right, man.
Why did I just get off, bro? That's annoying. Playing against fucking pussy farts that don't have lives, that would get knocked the fuck out in one hit. I know where he's at, bro. They're just playing fucking.
We lost that round, but we can still win this.